Hi, welcome to Backyard Growing SA, and today's video will be a sow to germinate, and today's seed is kale. Let's get to it. Okay, so I'm going to put the kale in the coco-peat and some kale in the paper towel. Okay, so it's time to cover them up now. Half a centimeter to a centimeter deep for the kale. And then just water the kale. And I'll check up on you tomorrow. So day 3, nothing has germinated in the coco-peat yet. So let's check the paper towel. Okay, so it looks like nothing has germinated of the kale just yet. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Day 5, let's check the coco-peat. So one kale has sprouted. Let's check the paper towel. So on the paper towel, nothing has germinated yet. I'll check on you tomorrow. Let's check the coco-peat of the kale. Okay, so one of it has fully germinated and the others are still busy coming out. And let's check the paper towel. Okay, so a couple of them have sprouted their roots so far. So yeah. Okay, so let's give this another day or 2 before we finish off, because there's still a few of them that leaf didn't yet turn green. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the future. Day 9, so most of them has germinated. So I'll give kale in the coco-peat about 7 to 12 days to fully germinate all the seeds. And let's check the paper towel. Okay, so some has sprouted but none has germinated, so it's best you directly sow them into soil and don't use the paper towel. Okay, so it's best you start them in the coco-peat because they'll take 7 to 12 days to germinate. And then in paper towel, don't bother with that one because they're gonna take forever. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and at least get 50 likes. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. And if you'd like to help the channel out, you can comment down below which seeds you like to see next. Share the videos. You can send super thanks or you can become a member. So thank you for watching. Backyard out.